Hey mate, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, welcome back to our Power Mates channel. Today, we are going to be diving into how you can seamlessly display Microsoft Fabric items in Microsoft Purview. If you're looking to enhance your data governance and visibility across your Microsoft Fabric ecosystem, you are here in the right place. So let's get started.
That's right, but tell me, Gaston, did we record something similar a few weeks ago, or I'm crazy?
No, yes, you are 100% right on this one,
Okay,
Alex.
okay.
So we start the process with what we call the Purview Hub in Fabric. So let's do this. Let's head over to my machine for a quick recap and check on those details.
Okay, yeah.
So remember, this is our Microsoft Fabric homepage. From here, couple of things that I would love to recall. When you start the process of, if you are a data engineer or a Power BI, business intelligence, or you are in data scientist team, remember that you first of all click in any of the experience and then you're ramping up to check on any workspaces. From here, you have a couple of options. First of all, to access the Microsoft Purview Hub, you click on this icon over here. Let's do this to see exactly what's going on there. So we have this icon in the top right screen, that is the settings. And then from here, we mention a couple of things. One is our admin portal and the Microsoft Purview Hub. So once we click in the Purview Hub, we have access first to all these options in the top of our screen. But right now, and something that we record in our latest videos for the last 2 or 3 weeks back, we have access to this Purview Hub. Now is totally rebuilt from scratch. So you're gonna notice that you see different options here. You can even take a quick tour to all of them and follow some of the steps to see all the process. You can check off your sensitivity of labels or endorsement or what is your state within the domain stack. So you can start clicking on all the options here and you can start checking on where you are in the sensitivity of labels. And in the right, you have all the details of top insights on how many items I have in personal workspace, how many data sets or semantic models, the number of items that I have without sensitivity of labels. We can check on endorsements as well, how many certified or promotion on semantic models you have or any kind of items. And you can check here that I can access via domains or workspace or item types, and you can follow up how many data sets or data warehouses or even streams do I have in my tenant. As well, the domains, I click in the left corner here, and you can check that I have only 7% of my workspace, they are attached to one of the domains. Remember that domains you can split by domain, could be marketing, could be human resources, could be finance, and you can assign workspace to a domain. And in here, you can see your data state and how it's structured. So you can see all the domain, subdomains, and workspace assigned in your tenant. That is one of the things that I recall. And of course, in the left Items Explorer, you can identify all the items. In my case, I have almost 238 items in this in this tenant, 2 endorsements, 7 creators, 25 workspace, and 6 different domains that I create on this tenant. But let's go over on What else we can do in terms of linking Fabric with Purview? And let's click on this icon over here, that is the data catalog icon. Once you click on this one, it's going to be opening a whole new portal, and this is the Purview portal. So remember that in this case and in this scenario, we are talking about a totally different service that we have here. This is the Purview service and how you can connect Purview from a data governance perspective with Fabric. In this overview, you can check that if I click on the data catalog icon, I can see that I can explore my data from my Microsoft Azure subscription and even from my Microsoft Fabric subscriptions, and I can add different assets on this one. In Microsoft Azure, I have all these options to connect and see, hey, what you got in ADLS or what you got in Blob Storage or what you have in Azure SQL Server. You can double down and check all the items that you have in one of these services. As well, you can click on Microsoft Fabric and you can navigate in Microsoft Fabric within all your items. So if I click, for example, Fabric here, I can check all my workspaces in my tenant, and is connecting directly Purview service and scanning all the items in my Fabric tenant. As well, I can click in any of the workspace and I can follow down. So in this case, I click in one workspace and you can check that I have all my workloads from my Fabric tenant here. So I have data engineer, data factory, data science, data warehouse, Power BI, real time, and I can start opening any of them and click on this icon, meaning that you can go ahead and say, hey, what we got in SQL Analytics endpoint. And you can click on one of them and going down in that ladder, and you can start checking, hey, this is one of my SQL endpoints in my lakehouse, and you can connect and see the properties, if you have the contacts, and even if you want to open that item right away for Fabric, you can click on that one and you can do the same. And this holistic view on the Purview connection with Fabric allow you to go one by one and check in Lakehouse or Data Factory and see data flows or data pipelines, and you can navigate all the items that you have in your Fabric workspace. Same with Power BI. If you already have reports or data sets, you can click in any of them, and within clicking in any of them, you can check that item and all the properties for that item. In this case, an overview and the properties and the contacts and the connections to that item. So pretty much you have access to everything that you got in Fabric, opening directly from the Purview service right away, and you can gain more kind of a holistic view of all the items and enhance your data governance and ensure better compliance and management of all your data assets. Sounds pretty awesome, right, Alex?
Oh, wow. Yeah. It's been great to see the integration between Fabric and Purview. Yeah, really a lot of things and a lot of point to take and continue learning how to properly use every point. So then that's all for today. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the PowerMate channel for more insightful videos. Leave any question or comment down below, and we'll be happy to help. And so, thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.